before starting this session, I would like to say everyone that please refer to our organic chemistry basic video, because if you do not see the basic video, then you will not be understanding the concept of name reaction, because name reaction is an advanced form. And also this is a part B. We have already discussed the part A in our earlier video. Okay, so now the first reaction what we have seen over here, that is known as Mannich reaction. Okay, so Mannich reaction is nothing but when the we want to extend an amino alkylation to a ketone. So if you see, this is an alpha, so in the alpha position of acetone we want to extend with the help of the amine acid and formaldehyde. So what is happening? Formaldehyde supply one carbon, and the nitrogen is coming from the secondary amine, which can be seen, and this reaction proceeds in presence of H plus ion. So amino alkylation to active methylene group is Mannich reaction. Okay, now after the Mannich we are having the second reaction that is also very popular, known as Reformetsky reaction. Reformetsky, okay, where it represents the addition of zinc enolate. If you see, zinc is come between X and CH2, so it become zinc enolate to aldehyde or ketone to form beta hydroxy ester. So this is ultimately you have alpha and beta. These are the CH3 represent this acetone. So the zinc enolate reacting with acetone, the ketone, to give alpha beta hydroxy ester. The starting material is alpha halo ester, so which is converting alpha halo ester to beta hydroxy ester. It's all about your Reformetsky. Then coming to the next reaction, number 3. Number 3 is one of the very important reaction known as Bamford-Steven reaction. Bamford-Steven reaction. Okay, where treatment of tosyl hydrazones with strong base gives alkene. Okay, so you can see that you're getting alkene, and it also parallelly proceed with the reaction known as Shapiro reaction. Okay, where we are using organolithium compound to get the replacing lithium with an electrophile. Any electrophile you can add R plus, C2H5 plus, or any electrophile whichever I have mentioned in my earlier organic chemistry video, and you get a substituted alkene. Then number 4, which I have already discussed in my earlier video of beta lactam. If you go to the beta lactam basic video, then over there I have used this term known as Beckmann rearrangement. Over here the ketone in presence of hydroxylamine, we are getting oxime, and oxime upon hydrolysis give you caprolactam. Caprolactam structure I have mentioned in our beta lactam part 1 video, okay, where I have mentioned the height concept, okay, which is very exclusive. And also we are taking smart class for discussing this chemical mechanism. If you do not understand, then you can join to our class, global smart class. You can get our WhatsApp number in the video. Okay, we are organizing, and also we are giving part 2 of this organic chemistry in the WhatsApp group of Grovel as a Grovel video class. Okay, then the next name reaction is known as, is very important, known as benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation, where the aldehyde is converted into the structure known as benzoin. This is known as benzoin. So this can be used to synthesize your steroidal drugs. Okay, like your, I think it is known as stilbene derivatives steroids. I'm not remembering the drug name. Ethinyl estradiol, kind of, yes, ethinyl estradiol. Okay, so these are the name reaction is used. Then next is the number 6, pinacol